Here's just a little video on where we at with the chicken tractor. Eli, Tina, and myself been working on it. This here be the top. It will be hinged where it will raise up, covered to here with tin. This will be wire. Plus it'll have a door here. That's it laying back there. Wire around these sides here. Tin around the back sides as well as the top. And this will be the nest holder. They'll come in from the back, sit in here, and then it's got this bar here that where they jump on to get in the nest, or you raise it up at night where they won't get in the nest at night. Need to modify my notes just a little bit. 48 inches is not wide enough for 2 pieces of tin. It says they're 2 foot wide, but they actually cover together 50 inches. That pin's 48 and a half, so it's a little bit too narrow, as well as the top. Just barely. Alright. There's a little quick view where we're at with that. Hope to be finished up today and get it to where it's going by tomorrow or this weekend.